Welcome to today's exclusive 2026 update for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. In this video, I'm revealing all new, verified and working codes that are available right now. These codes unlock free diamonds, boosts, and exclusive items, and some of them are limited time, meaning they can expire without warning. Important: make sure you watch till the end. There is one hidden secret code inside this video that many players will miss. Giveaway entry. To participate in today's giveaway, simply comment your Roblox username below. If any code doesn't work for you, comment again. I personally review and help active viewers. Before we continue, like this video to support the channel. Subscribe to Easy Solution 76, turn on the notification bell, so you never miss new Roblox codes in 2026. This channel is dedicated to delivering the latest and fastest working codes for top Roblox games, including Blox Fruits, Dress to Impress, 99 Nights in the Forest. The 2026 major update has just launched, featuring brand new maps, exclusive skins, special challenges, high-value rewards. Today's codes will help you progress faster, unlock premium cosmetics, gain a competitive advantage. Some of these codes are public, while others are secret or hidden, so pay close attention throughout the video. Imagine surviving deep inside the forest, overcoming every night, and suddenly unlocking a rare code that instantly upgrades your gameplay. That's exactly what's possible today. Now get ready. Grab a pen, stay focused, and let's begin with all the most powerful working codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest 2026.